Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI, and jojoba oil has so many uses. You can use it for your hair, for your skin, as a carrier oil. I love this stuff. I don't find it too thick, but I find it really moisturizing. This one, a friend actually recommended it to me.
It's by Cliganic.
I like that it's in a glass darkened container, and I like that you have control with the dropper bottle. You can see here how nice of an oil it is.
A lot of people like to use it on their skin, and I do love to do that. But I also like to put the jojoba oil on the ends of my hair. When it's dry, I find that it helps to eliminate split ends, and it's helping it to grow a little bit longer. I like that it doesn't weigh it down. It's a light oil. It gives it a lot of moisture and shine as well. And a little goes a long way.
This one's really great quality. It's 4 ounces and it's organic. If you're looking for a great quality jojoba oil, you've definitely got to check this one out. I really love it. I'm gonna keep buying it again and again, and that's my point.